Katya's car, the number of miles driven is proportional to the number of gallons of gas used. Find the missing value in the table. So if she has 0 gallons, she can go 0 miles. With 4 gallons of gas, she can go 112. For 10, she can go 280. So since it tells us it's proportional, we can find that constant by just using one set of numbers. And this gives us 28 per gallon. So we have y equals 28x, because we use that equation y equals kx, but k, our constant of proportionality, has to be 28. What is the constant of proportionality? K equals 28. How many miles could Katya go if she filled, I'm assuming it's supposed to say her car, filled her 22-gallon tank. So, if she has 28 miles per gallon and she fills a 22-gallon tank, well, 28 times 22 will give us our answer there. You tell me what y is equal to. Fill in your answer here. D, if Katya takes a trip of 600 miles, how many gallons of gas would be needed to make the trip? So instead of putting it in the x spot, we're going to stick it in the y's position because it's miles. And to solve for x, we have to divide both sides by 28. So x equals 600 divided by 28. You fill that in. E, if Katya drives 224 miles during 1 week of commuting to school and work, how many gallons of gas would she use? So same thing, we're going to put it in the miles part of the equation and solve it for x. The 28's divide out, and we're left with x equals, and we have to do 224 divided by 28 to fill in that answer. That one also goes up here. So fill in those 4 missing circles, and you are finished with problem 4.